So today, something a little bit different. Had Chris from Toro drop this off for me to try out. So really keen to give it a crack and show you guys how this thing runs, I guess. Hey mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Now I remember years ago, before I got a cylinder mower, I actually wanted to get one of these bad boys, but obviously they weren't in Australia at the time and no one really made anything like that. But it's cool. Pretty cool that the guys came drop this off for me just to try out. It's just a little loan, just to try it. That's all that it is, and they'll come pick it up later on. But yeah, you can achieve this, obviously, the stripes in your lawn with a cylinder mower, with a mower like this. You can attach a roller to the back of your mower if you wanted to. I think Toro even makes little rollers, so you can put on the back of rotaries, or you can make one yourself like I did in my first video. Don't watch that. Yeah, to get those stripes on your lawn. But I think that's all we really need to talk about with this bad boy. I mean, it's got a single blade on the bottom of the mower. The height of cut can be down to 13 mil. There's different speeds that you can have the mower moves along, as you can see just here. I don't know, we'll probably just leave it on setting 2. But let's just try it. Let's give it a go. I want to see how this thing works on the rye. We'll probably do a double cut. We'll do some checkerboards, and just try to get this thing striping up nicely. Well, I'll tell you what, super impressed with that thing. As you can see, the stripes are pretty good. For a little while there, the sun wasn't out, so they weren't popping as much, but as soon as that sun popped out, you can really see on the drone, like, they are defined stripes. Now, it is heavy. That is the one thing I will say. It is heavy. It is supposed to be a commercial mower, so yeah, it's supposed to withstand a beating. And I'll tell you what, it is solid as. Like, this thing is, well, it's one of the heaviest rotary mower I've ever used, but of course it has got that roller on the back of it. But yeah, they use these in sports stadiums. A couple of teams in the Premier League have units like this, and I think Chris was telling me from Toro that the Gabba bought one for their wickets just to clean ups and stuff with. So yeah, they're definitely commercial mowers, but they are beasts. So I don't know if you guys noticed when I was mowing, I don't know, sort of put in the edit, but I did adjust the speed on it from 2 to 1 every now and then when I got into smaller areas, just because it was a lot easier to maneuver at a slower speed, because it is quite heavy, like backing in, turning around. So it's really handy actually to have that speed adjustment dial just there. Now I'm not sure on the weight of this mower. They did give me some specs. 177cc Kawasaki engine, 4.5 kilowatts, 60 horsepower, 6 horsepower. Cutting width is 56 centimeters, 22 inches. There you go. Adjustable from 13 mil to 60 mil, so that's half an inch to 2.4 inches. Awesome. Which you can actually adjust it a bit too with a little dial up the top. You get an Allen key and just adjust it as you saw me doing before. Self-propelled. Catching bags 80 litres. I'll tell you what, man. Where's the weight? 66 kilos. There you go. So it is a heavy sucker. But she is a beast, I'll tell you what. Yeah. That's all you guys need. You can get a little groomer brush kit for the front of them as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Which would make your stripes pop even more and clean up some stuff for you and help you sort of mow in the dew a bit as well. But mate, boist. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I had good fun with that mower. I might use it a few more times just because I want to try it out before I have to send it back, because that thing is, it's pretty cool. Nice clean cut on the lawn as well. Like, there's really no leaf tearing. I mean, the blade on that thing is nice and sharp as well, which does help. Cylinder mowers, you guys know, always gonna have a bit of cut, but I'm still quite impressed with that, to be honest. But yeah, the only thing I say that I probably struggled with was how heavy it was in turning it. But once I sort of got used to it, it wasn't too bad. But yeah, it's a heavy machine, especially in this small little backyard when you're trying to turn around. Thanks guys so much for watching, really appreciate it. As some of you might have seen on Facebook and Instagram, and I put a YouTube post up as well, we are selling this house, so it is on the market now. So we're going to be moving to a new property, which I'll show you guys in the near future once everything settles with it. It's all confirmed and we're going ahead with it. But yeah, really exciting things coming along for the channel if all goes according to plan, which I'm keen to show you guys. Really keen. Thanks guys so much for watching, appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Do you guys have a good week. You know what, there's flipping winter grass growing up here again, and I don't think I want to do this. Ugh. Oh yeah. Blech. Have a look at that. Winter grass, man, it's gonna grow flipping anywhere. Oh, did I just fart? Yuck. Oh, no. Blech. That is absolutely disgusting.